Most agency owners think scaling means hiring more people, more VAs, more SDRs, more management headaches. They're wrong. The most profitable solopreneurs in 2026 aren't working harder. They're building digital clones. I've analyzed the top 1% of lean agencies. The secret isn't a better hustle. It's a shift from managing people to managing pipelines. When you replace a $3,000 a month employee with a $30 API key, your margins don't just grow, they explode. In this video, I'm handing you the exact blueprint to build a 24/7 lead generation engine. We are integrating Make.com for the logic, OpenAI for the hyper-personalization, and Airtable as your central brain. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a system that handles thousands of leads without you writing a single payroll check. Let's build it. Most agency owners think scaling means hiring more employees, more payroll, more management headaches. But here is the trap. More people usually means more problems. You stop being a founder and start being a full-time babysitter. Then there is the lead gen nightmare. Leads pour in, but they die in the inbox. You're either manually typing the same, "Hey, let's chat" message for the 100th time, or you're forgetting to follow up entirely. By the time you reach out, the lead is cold. The opportunity is gone. You've hit the founder's loop. You can't take on more clients because you're at capacity, but you can't raise your prices because your fulfillment is manual and slow. It is a hard glass ceiling. You are trading your sanity for a revenue number that barely covers the overhead of your growing team. The old way of scaling is broken. The hire-to-grow model isn't an asset, it's a liability. Imagine if the system did the heavy lifting. No sick days, no payroll taxes, no "I forgot to send that email." Just a silent digital engine that qualifies, nurtures, and books meetings while you sleep. Here is the reality. Most agency owners fail because they scale their headcount before they scale their systems. They hire a VA to handle leads, then a manager to handle the VA. Now they have a payroll problem, not a profit problem. The secret to hitting 50K a month solo isn't working more hours. It's building a zero-employee engine. This is a closed-loop system where Make.com, OpenAI, and Airtable act as your sales team, your researcher, and your admin, all running 24/7. Let's break down the blueprint. Step 1, the brain. That's Airtable. Stop using Google Sheets. You need a relational database. This is where your leads land. But we aren't just storing names. We're creating a trigger system. The moment a lead enters this base, the engine wakes up. Step 2, the glue. This is Make.com. Make.com is the conductor. It watches your Airtable. When a new record appears, Make doesn't just move data, it initiates a workflow. It scrapes the lead's website, pulls their latest LinkedIn post, and feeds that raw data into the next stage. Step 3, the intelligence. This is the OpenAI API. This is where most people mess up. They use generic prompts like, "Write a sales email." That's how you get marked as spam. Instead, we use a context injection prompt. We tell OpenAI, "You are a world-class B2B strategist. Use this specific website data to find one gap in their current strategy and write a 3-sentence observation." Now the AI isn't guessing. It's analyzing. It creates a hyper-personalized hook that looks like you spent 2 hours researching the lead. But the AI did it in 2 seconds. Step 4, the delivery. Make.com takes that custom snippet from OpenAI and pushes it directly into your sending tool. No manual copying. No "Dear Sir, Madam." Just a high-converting, personalized message hitting the inbox of a qualified lead while you're asleep. This is how you scale. You aren't managing people, you're managing a workflow. You've just replaced a $4,000 a month SDR with a $50 a month software stack. To build this engine, you only need 3 tools. Make .com for the logic, Airtable for the brain, and OpenAI for the intelligence. I've put the direct setup links for all 3 in the description below. Use them to get the exact environment I'm using. When this system is live, you stop trading time for money. Imagine 500 leads hitting your system while you sleep. The AI qualifies them, books the meeting, and updates your CRM. No virtual assistants, no payroll, just pure margin. This is the only way to scale to $50K a month without the overhead of a traditional agency. If you want more blueprints to automate your income and reclaim your time, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, go click those links in the description and start building your zero-employee engine.